this is Kujipo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin itong reaction video, itong vlog ng David ni Coco nyo for today's video. So one second longer, let's check it out. Kung ano yung mga ganap niya sa Singapore for today's video. So one second longer, let's start this reaction video. Attacking na tayo dito sa G. Ano na naman to Ginoo? Ginoo nyo, ano na naman to? Yung totoo. That is lang. Hello guys, good morning. Bakit yung good morning mo iba talaga? Iba talaga yung good morning ni Gina. Ay, lakasan natin.
If I don't get to experience jogging here, right? So,
Tignan mo, maliit yung isang mata niya, kakagising niya lang talaga, Mi.
Kita niyo ba?
Ano yung ginaong kugupuhan mo for today's video? Hindi mo kaya?
Orchard Road. Orchard Road kasi.
Orchard.
Yun yung may
Tignan mo,
Plaza.
vlogger naman pala ang Ginoo natin.
Explore yun now na I'm old. Kasi when I was younger,
Braces ba si Ginoo?
pinag-time ko yun lagi. Alone kasi gusto ko ng cellphone
Gusto.
ng Game Boy. So yeah, maybe my 11-year-old
Wait lang, wala ako sa frame.
go there.
Wala ako sa frame for today's video. May nakakakita kaya ng mga Pilipina dyan, ng mga kababayan natin for today's video? Sino yung mga kababayan natin nakakakita dyan for today's video? Ano na naman yan? Pawis na ang Ginoo. No ha? Kahit pawis ang Ginoo talaga natin for today's video. Ay, sabihin mo.
Laki na pala niya, no? Actually, malaki talaga siya. Feeling ko cellphone lang talaga. Didiin tayo dyan mamaya sa...
Sabihin mo, pawis siya. Mabango talaga siya tingnan. Di ba, Mi?
9 kilometers na nag-jogging. So, on the way back to the hotel. So, meron nakitang park dito. Nagulat ako, ano yung park pala dito? Para siyang Australia.
Australia.
Look at that. I love this.
Para siyang Australia. Favorite niya talagang Australia. Oh, may mga umalma na naman dyan na. Higilan niyo ako. Ang aalma-alma kayo. Stop niyo yan. Okay.
Hey guys, so we are in. I don't know where we are, but we're dumpling making thing today.
Ano? Jogging. Ay, hello. Ay, ito yun. Ito yung nakita natin na kumakain siya for today's video. Ito yun. Ito yung kumakain siya. Na hindi. Tapos sasabi pa natin kung sino yung girl. Di ba?
Hey guys, so we're here taking off the racetrack
Ang gwapo talaga ng Ginoo natin. Oy.
tomorrow and Sunday's event.
Di ba? Ano talaga yung... I mean, how can you hate Ginoo? Di ba? How can you hate David Lico? Uy, follow naman natin siya sa YouTube niya. 32,000 pa lang yung followers niya, oh. Baka naman. Baka naman pwede i-follow ang Ginoo natin.
Parang pinag yung
Yeah. Chika siya, oh. Chika siya. What is chismis?
my name review after
Idolo talaga yung Ginoo natin, no? Ano ba talaga dapat? Ginoo, sama kami. Huwag mo, ang gwapo, oh. Eh, sila yung Chinese
I
man.
never know to go to events like this. I may be an actor, but I'm still really shy. Pwede nga dito naman siya. But no, I have to
Ano?
learn to socialize. So come in, can see. Ganda ng bar na to. So gumawa ng ganito sa Manila. Parang tinan mo lahat, ang saya nila nag-uusap.
O, diba? Business na naman.
Vision na gusto
Business na naman. Kahit saan talaga siya.
Parang lahat.
Actually, ganun talaga yung mga business-minded, no?
Pwede
Kahit saan sila magpunta,
Pupunta
kung may makikitang opportunity, Mabibigyan siya ng idea.
Meron pang nilagyan na ganito. Pero hindi ko napapakita kasi gagayahin ko eh.
Huwag mo gayahin.
When was the last time you felt a deep sense of gratitude? O ikaw, kailan? Ako rin ngayon. Pakita mo yung restaurant.
Ba yan, Ginoo? Baka niloloko mo lang kami,
Ako
ah.
nilagyan na ganito sa sa Sobra. Sobra Cafe in the afternoon, dinner, and then mga pag 10 na gagawin ko ganyan. Tapos excited natin siya. Chill dito. Tara, tingin tayo sa'yo. Ganda nung building. Parang sobrang... Wow. Sige, magkakaroon ng pwedeng spot sa Manila na ganito. Parang chill lang.
Diba?
Pero like, people would
Business-minded
actually
talaga
go
siya.
talaga nila.
Halos lahat talaga pumapasok sa utak niya yung idea. I love that. Love that for her. For him pala.
YouTuber. Gusto ko maglagay ng ganito sa Philippines talaga.
Di ba? Go! Okay.
Hey guys, so today is our 5th day in Singapore. It's Saturday.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be
Best
getting
18.
after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that.
In fairness, nakatig si Ginoo, ah. In fairness, nakatig siya sa vlog niya, ha. Ako lang. Hindi ko in-expect. Akala ko talaga more on, mga A-roll type of camera lang. Like transition. Okay, ang Ginoo. Vlogging era ni Ginoo niyo, oh. Vlogging era. Atake. Excuse me. Ah,
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work.
oh my God. Ginoo is so guwapo. With a touch of bread.
Changing my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit.
Wala ko, the transition.
Till I feel like I'm winning all.
Yun. Grabe makatingin yung Pilipino. Pilipino ata yun. Nakilala niya si David. Eh.
And we all got dreams. We all want
Well,
things.
Hindi ko pa kasi pinapanood kagabi. Kahapon nang lumabas to. Kaya gusto ko talagang gawa ng reaction video to eh. In fairness, editor ni Ginoo. In fairness, ha? The transition. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda ng transition. Ang sa atin. Akala ko si Barbie. Akala ko si Barbie.
Everything is...
Parehas. Akala ko talaga si Barbie niyo.
Yung champagne dito, free rin. Alam mo yung pansin ko sa...
In fairness, ang galing niya mag-vlog dito. Napaka-talkative niya.
You know, like mga NBA...
Paano wing David Licao ko?
Parang siyang next to. Parang kang nanonood ng concert. Parang kang
Fairness sa vlogging era ni Ginoo, ah.
Parang kang nasa sports din. Parang all in one. It's really fun. Like, ang daming meron. Dami nangyari. Dami drinks. Dami food. It's parang everyone's so friendly. Kaya sobrang good experience siya. So, start yung race ng 8 p.m. So, kain-kain muna tayo. Tipin pa ako bukas. 12 noon yung call time.
Yan.
Medyo grabe lang yung work ko now. So, I'm here for F1 though. And then for Shivas. So mamaya meron kami after party. So syempre, meron tayong event doon until like 3 a.m. So our flight is at 6 a.m. And the following day I have taping. But then this morning I was able to practice, memorize my script. Kapagod ba kayo, Tislan? Kaya mo ba yun?
Okay.
Kaya muna ako. Wait. Singapore anthem pala. Stop tayo. Lakad-lakad muna.
Bigay ka dyan ng respect, ah.
Kinain. Yes.
Dala-dala niya yung baso?
Lounge. Because the race is about to start.
Ah, okay. Within the vicinity pa din pala talaga siya. Within the vicinity pa din naman talaga yung kilo natin. Kaya huwag kayong huwag kayong ano-ano. Ano ba talaga dapat ginoo? Kami din. Hindi lang halata. Ang ganda ng vlog niya, in fairness.
Imagine mo, sila...
Very
Sino yung
aesthetic.
mga sikat na vlogger? Sila Tony Gonzaga. Alex Gonzaga.
Alex Gonzaga.
Tony kasi Tony Talks eh. Di ba? Sila. Ang dami.
Dami?
Sila malupitan. Parang ito yung life nila. Damn. It's actually fun. Anyway.
Pero ang galing mo, ha? In fairness, ang galing mo.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything?
Bro.
What you gonna
Hindi ko na yung bro. Okay, I'm giving a coffee.
May reason why we are here.
Yeah.
Mas na talaga na sila sa life.
Oh, wow.
International people. Parang minsan may
Yeah, this is
isip ko,
my
ano ba yung
life,
ginawa
my
mo sa
strife,
akin?
my right to fight, to die on.
Ita.
And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name.
Ano ko sa'yo, David? Nakakainis ka.
I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun?
8 p.m.
I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at?
Cute lang.
I gotta make it in
Ginoon
this
mo
life.
sa vlogging
Makes me
era
happy,
niya.
know I'm doing things right. Sleeping in the summer
Ay.
on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night. Oh,
Nag-reflect ka.
we all got dreams,
Nag-reflect ka.
we all want
I love it.
things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna
Exactly. If you're nice to everybody, may mararating ka talaga. Ang tanong, hindi naman ako nice to everybody, may mararating ba ako? Diba? Hindi naman ako nice sa mga fake friends, may mararating ba ako? Yung ano, yung pinagtatanggol ko lang din naman sa Ginoo, diba? Yung justify mo pa. Justify mo pa, KJ.
We can be successful.
Kailangan nating sipagan at mabait lang sa maging sa lahat ng
What you
tao.
really want in life.
I love it. I love it.
Okay. Tapos na tayo sa Senti. Na-Senti tayo Antay na tayo ng race. See you! Balik tayo mamaya. Antay natin yung race.
Love that. Kailangan natin sipagan at mabait sa lahat ng tao. Ang ganda ng vlog niya, may pa-reflect yung Ginoo. Gwapo niya. Yes, ito na siya. Ito na yung drama niya na linagay niya sa reels. Akala mo naman talaga. Really?
Ganda ng upo.
Naupo.
Yung
Sorry.
camera. Oo. Ganda ng upo.
Oo, iba din pala yung... Sorry. Confused talaga ako sa mga really opo na yun. Diyos ko, ano naman, si Alden kasi.
You're good. It's so nice.
Ganda ng cup niya. Ginoo ba ka naman?
Let's go! Let's go, Charles! Tinuro ko kay Charles. Kailangan na
Ang niya
apply
talaga
dito.
pag... Ang gwapo niya talaga pag naka-white siya.
So, the race is done. What an experience.
Gusto yun? Ang
Thank you,
bilis
Chivas
ha.
Regal. Thank you, Singapore.
Ang balis ng ano. May fireworks. Ang bilis ng 16 minutes vlog niya.
Hey guys, sorry na distract tayo sa fireworks, but basta,
What?
pero yun na yun. We are done with the F1 experience by Chivas Regal. So, I'll see you in Manila.
Teo and Manila.
We have after party pa pero hindi kami kasama. Kasi good boy ako. Ay, hindi naman video. Bawal mag-video.
Eh, bawal mong video yung ano niya.
Basta wing natin to. Per sobra. Hindi naman nila malalaman eh. Na, di ba? So, imagine mo. Ano yung proof na yan? Dito yan.
Beauty.
Dito lang. Sobra Cafe.
Yes. So yun. Anyways, that is our for today's video from David and Nico. So, ang ganda ng basta sipagan lang. Kailangan sipagan lang at babait sa lahat ng tao. Couldn't agree more. Right? So yeah, that is more for today's video. This is Kuya Vlogs. This is your Vlog. Bye!